Hello guys, good afternoon. Guys, I want to show you how to resetting the clutch thickness, because if you change your new clutch, so must be resetting your clutch thickness. So you go here, function, calibration, and then powertrain, and then clutch. You go clutch, and then you click the clutch adaptation, and then must be your engine is switch off, and then you go next. See guys, press exit and run. So you go exit, and then you go to setting your clutch. If your new clutch is see new clutch desk here, you can go here, just select the new clutch, and then press next. Setting the clutch thickness is completed. See guys, now okay now, and then exit, and then you run your track, and then you shape all shape 1 2 until 12, and then the in your instrument cluster there is 100% thickness clutch. Okay guys, that is the way how to resetting the clutch thickness. See now, you go exit now. Only like this guys. Okay, I will repeat. Function, calibration, powertrain, clutch adaptation, and then next. After next, exit, and then resetting the thickness, and then you select the new clutch disc. If your clutch disc is old, you select the used clutch disc. Okay guys, if your clutch is reused, you fix the old one, you select this used clutch disc. If new clutch, you select this one, and then next. Okay guys, and then you wait until finish. Setting the clutch disc is completed. Now guys,